friends, we're at Terra. Let's get into some plant shopping. Today we're starting off with their succulents and their cactus. Look at this, the gymnocalycums. They've got a bit of a sale on them. They're down to $10 each, regular price $15. And look at how beautiful these are. Now they've got some cactus and they're in terracotta pots. $15. Look at this one, throwing off some nice little pops. We've got the old man of the Andes and the barrel cactus. A good selection, and I love that they're already in terracotta pots. Now the 1.5 inch pots, you're looking at $5. And these are so happy that they're throwing off little flowers. And plant friends, they're real flowers, not artificial flowers. And little berries in case you want to do a little propagation or seed starting. Very nice. This one's interesting. I love that lime green little flowers, and I'm distracted by some fungus gnats flying around. Now these are a little bit larger than a 1.5. These barrel cactus, they're $13 each. Some gymnos that are potted up and top dressed. Perfect for a windowsill that gets a lot of sun. $22 each. Nice neutral pot that it's potted in. And look at these gymnos. Aren't they beautiful? Now I'm not sure if these are discounted as well. I don't see a markdown sticker on them. I wonder. Nice and vibrant, especially this one back here. Look at that, so pretty. Larger barrel cactus are $30. Even this multi-combo pot. And look at that one back there. Isn't that pretty? It's a nice setup, so you have to shop the display as well, just in case there's anything tucked in between. Even the pots and the stands are interesting. Now check this out. They've got the fairy tale cactus. Variegated, $24, so round that up to $25. And they might be 25% off. This one's got a nice sticker, so a bit of a sale going on. The spiral cactus, these are $40 each. One of my favorites, moon cactus, $10 each. The cuddly cactus, these are $20 each. And here are some more of those 1.5 inch cactus. Look at these pots. It's a perfect fit. The color scheme. I like that almost terracotta, not terracotta look. But they do have the terracottas, and these are $4 each. That's a 5 inch. And the aloes, the aloe looks good in a pot. They've got the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is $8. And look at this one back here in that face pot. I wonder if it's a combination that comes together, or is it the pot that's $25? It says arrangement, so it might be an arrangement. Interesting. Look at this guy over here. That cactus already potted up. That's a nice arrangement too. I love the way that they've tucked the variegated fairy tale as well as some gymnos in the pot and sansevieria. A risky arrangement since not all might like the same lighting conditions, but it could work. They've got aloes, haworthias, echeverias, $8 each. Look at this one, so perfect. So the 3.5 inch succulents, they're priced at $8 each. These are some big guys. Nice big topsy-turvy looking for $15. The arrangement looks nice. The arrangements are perfect for spring and summer. Put that out on your patio or balcony. A big monstera over there potted up. Looks like just a regular monstera deliciosa for $100. These terracotta pots are interesting too. If you don't want the terracotta look, you can get the stone look. And they've got the jades. $8 each. Oh, this one is a little bit more at $10. Has those nice red tips. And these are the ones that are priced for $8. A bear paw with some variegation. You know, I find bear paws to be low maintenance plant. They don't like to be watered too much. They prefer to be on the dry side. Just ignore them and water every once in a while. That works great for me in my conditions. $10 each. If you're looking for the mix, they've got the spag moss or peat moss or a spag peat moss mix. Interesting. Retains moisture and nutrients. $10 for that bag. They also have this tropical mix that's priced at $15.50. Some andromishkas. Do they have the name on this? Earth Star. Can't remember the other name. But those are pretty. But these sansevierias are looking nice at $6 each. As well as these ZZ plants. Look at how dark and lush the foliage is. They're $10 each. More of those dragon fruits. Wow, it's so thick. There's a lot of dragon fruit in these pots. $6, and look at that, just jam-packed. The syngonium, $6 for the syngonium, and the pilea. These are looking nice, freshly watered. I like to see when plants are being well maintained. Also $6. Hey, they do have moisture meters. This is a good option. They're $15 each. So that's a nice find in case you're looking for a moisture meter. Now over here, they've got more of the tropical plants. The staghorn fern, they're $10 each. Look at the peperomia hope in the hanging basket for $18. Crispy wave fern, $8. And I noticed right here they've got some bromeliads. Bromeliads are $15. Let's see what else they've got down here. They've got the polka dot plant. These are $8. The marantas are priced at $8. They've got some pileas. The money tree. Ponytail palm is tucked in here. The ponytail palm, $40. Some more Phontonias at $8. Majority of their 4-inch pots are priced at $8 each. Look at this Syngonium, one of my favorites. They've got the Dieffenbachia. Dieffenbachia is $8. The ivy, an olive tree right there. Look at this ivy. Or is this one of those Senecio, the succulent variety? I don't see the pricing for that, but interesting. They've got the rubber plants, and they're 4-inch, $8 each. They do have the olive tree as well, and they've got the olive priced at $15. I only see one of these little darlings. And more of the rubber plants, and the heartleaf philodendron, $8. They've got some philodendrons in here that are priced. This one is the White Princess at $20, but over here it looks like the Sun Red possibly at $8. Some beautiful, nice leaves. The Alocasia Polly. Polly is $8. They've got some Alocasias, $8. Ooh, the Nerf plant. Let's see. Oh, they're so shy. Adansonii, larger Pelea plants, and the Scindapsus. Scindapsus have been really speaking to me lately. $10 each. Now these ant plants, one of my favorite little plants to have, low maintenance. You just need to water it every once in a while and give it bright conditions. They're $25 each. These Tradescantias, I think this is my favorite Tradescantia. I like the variegation and the spider webs on the leaves. They're $8 each. They've got the string of dolphins, and look at this one. It's like a string of glory hanging basket for $13. That's a really beautiful hanging basket right there. There are some Hoyas available. The Crimson Queen, $13. The Pubicalix, $13 as well. And the Crescipetulata, $13. ZZ plants, Birdnest Sansevieria for $10. Even these moonshines are $10 each. A pretty cool selection. Let's see what else they've got in the greenhouse. Plant friends, I do love a hanging basket, and they've got 2 for $50 or $30 each. Look at these spider plant hanging baskets. They also have the ferns. I see a lot of people with these on their patios, but I do believe that they like a lot of water. And look at the Calissia repens. Nice, thick hanging basket. The anthuriums, they've got 3 different sizes, ranging from 6-inch to 8-inch. Priced $40 down to $15. So they've got a range of sizes and prices for these anthurium. Wow, this is really pretty. This two-tone ombre looking is interesting. They've got Monstera Deliciosa at $25. Olive plant at $30. That's a pretty good size. Some calatheas at $25. And this section, they're in 6-inch pot sizes. The Bird of Paradise is also priced at $25. There's a Crackling Rosie back there. She's $25. The Bellina is a little bit more at $45. Oh, look at my favorite Tradescantia. She's in a 6-inch pot at $13. At this size, it'd be nice to put her in a macrame hanging basket. They're so pretty. They've got some Hoyas. This one's a larger 6-inch pot. The Parasitica Splash, the Jade Plant, and the Birkin. Jade is 20 and the Birkin's 25. The Peperomia or Pelia is $15. They've got some yuccas. The yuccas are $25 each. They're also in that 6-inch pot size. And more of the ponytail palms, which are $40 each. I found some more tropicals. This one's the Lemon Top, priced at $25. And this one's just a regular jade pothos at $25 as well. Hawaiian is $25. And this one's on a trellis totem pole, moss pole. Wow, growing in very nice. They're $30 each. Some ZZ plants. This is the Raven in a larger 6-inch pot at $40. And if you like the traditional green ZZ plant, those are $25 in the 6-inch pot. Some Sansevieria. Sansevierias are $25 in the 6-inch pot. Yeah, so from what I can see, all are $25 in the 6-inch pot. Sansevieria is so rewarding, always throwing out so many little pups. And look at this one right here. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at that. The new growth is fantastic, and the mother plant putting off some nice little pups. $25. Now we've got the crocodile. Crocodile's interesting, especially for that ribbed texture on the back of the leaves. $30 for the 6-inch pot. What's this one? Dieffenbachia camouflage, and she's $25. Plant friends, thanks for joining me on this shopping tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.